3 hoes on me, now I think I'm Mormon. Billy only counting up if it's blue like Corbin. Don't hit my line if you know I'm recording, cause I got these hits, but now she wanna have my kids. But this ain't Maury Povich, I heard your last man shop that lids. You know I'm popping off, I guess a lot of guap. She tryna take it off, like it's Mardi Gras. They all love me, yeah, like I'm Sosa. Making money like Oprah, now your girl coming over.
I'll tell you why they love me, not your average Joe. I kinda think it's funny that you're all still broke. I'm popping off like champagne, did it on my own. LA to Galapagos, and I know a lot of hoes that don't fuck with you, they fuck with me. Now when we talking money, you turn into Mr. Bean. Now my favorite color green, I'm flying overseas, stuff you do in your dreams. Hey, my favorite color green, I'm flying overseas, stuff you do in your dreams. Now I do it all.
I'm popping off, I guess a lot of guap. She tryna take it off, like it's Mardi Gras. They all love me, yeah, like I'm Sosa. Making money like Oprah, now your girl coming over. Okay. You know it ain't lit till I walk in the party. Is that your dude over there? I'm sorry. Getting buckets, but I ain't a bozo. Beat the beat up like it stole from me. Hey, my nose runny, my neck caught a cold from it. I'm back. It's Billy season, and to all the other rappers, it's hunting season. Hey, rich off the internet, iCarly, and I'm with my dogs like Marley. Ghost ride that whip like Casper, posted in the cut, sipping gold Bacardi. Good with my numbers, Rain Man, and my friend keep a stick like a caveman. She want it all on her face like a spray tan. You know Billy stay clean like Maytag.